Hello everyone and welcome back to another Empties video. I have quite a few things to share, so let's get started. I have a couple Parent Choice Shea Butter wipes. These are 100 count. You buy them in a 3-pack and you get 300 wipes altogether. I purchased these many times, talked about them many times. I just figured that I would tell you again. These are thick, they are saturated and wet. They work great. Yes, these are wonderful. Love them, would repurchase them hundreds of more times. I have this, I guess it's supposed to say filter. This is a disinfectant hand sanitizer. I had like a 4-pack of these in a box and they work fine. They work good actually, and I like its little different style of bottle than typical hand sanitizer. This is a Dow Sweet Watermelon hand soap. This is an antibacterial soap. This is a little bit thinner formula than I'm used to, but that's neither here nor there. The scent is amazing. It worked good. It lathered good. It cleaned our hands. I would definitely repurchase this again, especially in the watermelon scent. This is so good. Used up 2 of these Women's Daily with Iron. I like these. I usually just take 1 a day, but I can tell a difference on most days when I am taking these. So I have 2 of those used up. And I have the Signature Care Cotton Ovals, 100% pure cotton. 60 count. These came from DollarTree and they were $1.25 at the time. I like them. I used them for nail polish remover. They were quite large, and I would purchase them again if I saw them. Same as the Assured brand 100% pure cotton balls. Love these, 100 count. I do think this is a good deal. I will continue to purchase them. I use them for toner, makeup remover, cleaning eyelashes, taking off fingernail polish, all that stuff. But Dollar General does have a better deal for $1 on the cotton balls. Just saying. But I will repurchase those. And then I do have, these are on their way out. They're just like eyebrow razors. And I especially wanted to mention this one though. Like these from Away Studio, which you can get them on shopmissay.com, are fantastic. These are amazing. Highly recommend you get 2 of them for $1. They lasted forever. Love these. This is just a regular old brand. I don't even know what brand it is, but it was it did its job, but this was fantastic. And then since we were just talking about cotton balls, we'll go ahead and get the nail polish remover out of the way. The Equate Advanced Nail Polish Remover in the lavender scent. Honestly, it's such a light lavender scent that, you know, it doesn't even matter to me, but 16 fluid ounces, $3, and this is very easy on the natural nails, and it easily removes glitter, polish, so that's a plus as well. You don't have to use acetone. This is amazing. Amazing. Highly recommend this product. I purchased it, I can't even tell you how many times. And I'm going to repurchase it again in the very near future. So I have some shampoos and conditioner, and I decided to go old school. My nanny used to mix and match her VO5s. Like, of course you can buy them in their pairs. But I remember her having this combination scent, this combination of scents in her shower, and I just love, I miss my nanny so much. Yeah, I still struggle pretty deeply with grief over it. You know, I miss her voice, I miss the way she smelled, and all those things. So from time to time, I will buy products that she frequently bought and just use them, and it reminds me of her. Yes, okay. Moving on. The VO5 Island Coconut Moisturizing Shampoo. These are 18 fluid ounces. These are good shampoos. I buy them at the Dollar Tree. Sometimes I buy them at Walmart. Pretty sure these came from the Dollar Tree though. And I love this coconut scent. It's one of my favorites. I would buy this regardless. The coconut, love it. The Passion Fruit Smoothie smells amazing as well. It's the moisturizing conditioner, 18 ounces. Yeah, these are the bonus sizes. So for $1.25, VO5 is pretty decent shampoo, so I can't complain there. So I use those up. It does get my hair clean. I say this a lot in the videos, but I personally like to wash my hair once a week. I do not like to strip my hair of its natural oils. It's just what I am used to now. Like, my hair is even used to it. So once a week. So I will use these once a week. Cheaper DollarTree shampoos, or the DollarTree shampoos, I'll have to wash my hair every 3 to 4 days. It just doesn't last. The VO5 lasts just as good as the Garnier or the Aussie shampoos or the Herbal Essence for me. The Suave Coconut Kiss Body Wash. This is their gentle body wash, and it's 18 fluid ounces. This was $3 at Dollar General. You can also purchase this for $3 at Walmart. Suave Coconut Kiss. This smelled amazing. It lathered amazing. It was a thick formula. Definitely recommend these Suave body washes. I've already currently repurchased, and I'm using strawberries and cream. It smells amazing. They do linger a little while on the skin, not terribly long though. They do a little bit, and the skin is very soft, moisturized, and hydrated. These work amazing. Cute packaging too on all of them. I've used the Suave body washes several times. They're really nice. Definitely recommend. The Personal Care Intimate Shave Cream, water-based shave cream and moisturizer in vanilla cake. 7 ounces. Oh my. Oh my. This smells amazing. It's thick, it's creamy, it's super moisturizing. My only complaint is it slightly clogs the razor because it's such a thick formula, but I would repurchase it again. Yes, I love this stuff. If I see this again, I'm repurchasing it. This was amazing. It gave me a close shave. I didn't have razor burn, I don't believe, with this. Thinking back, I don't think I had very many like nicks or cuts. If I did have a nick or cut, it's probably due to the razor I was using. This stuff performed amazing. Absolutely loved it. And then I have this Amber Honey. This is supposed to be, My Beauty Spot. This is supposed to be a body butter. When it has shea butter, argan oil for ultimate hydration. So yeah, Amber Honey, 1 ounce. A little plastic container. You got like a 3-pack of these around Christmas. I do recommend, at Christmas time, take advantage of those sets. They're always usually a good deal. This is not a body butter. This does not perform like a body butter. So if you're looking for a legit body butter, I don't recommend. Now, it is thicker. It is creamy. It is moisturizing. And it did perform, but I would say in terms of like scent, it doesn't smell like Amber Honey to me. It smelled like Fruit Loops. Like all of the ones that I had, they had different scents, but they all smelled very fruity, I should say. Which is fine. I'm fine with that too, but just it didn't smell like the name suggests. Overall, I would purchase these again, and knowing that it's not an actual body butter. You get a thick lotion, and there's nothing wrong with that. I would say if you're going to get a body butter, I would definitely pay the price for a legit body butter. I have a couple sprays. So the Axe spray in Dark Temptation. John and Connor use this up. This one, to me, I really love the way this one smells. I think the packaging is cute too. I love the way this one smells. This is not John and Connor's favorite, and I don't know that they would repurchase this one again per se, because they both really love the Phoenix one. They like the Apollo one too, but the Phoenix one is their favorite go-to. John repurchases that one all the time. But yeah, good spray. And then I have this one from Five Below, and it's the Pink Candy limited edition scent. And I'm sharing this one today. It is not empty, but as you can tell, the nozzle was broke. My husband tried to take it off, but it completely broke. Let's see. So I had to rehome this. So it evaporated quite a bit before I actually noticed that something was wrong with my bottle. So about, I would say 30% of my bottle was gone when I realized. I was like, what? I just got this last week, It smells amazing. Oh, it smells so good. Nice and candy-like, very sweet. So if you like scents like that, you probably really love this. It's just a bummer that it came, you know, broke right out of the box. I put this in an empty spray bottle, so I still have access to, I had like about 50% of it left after the bottle break and all that. So yeah, I'll continue to purchase these $5 perfumes. I still think they're a really good deal. But just wanted to give you a little heads up update on the perfume. Also, these do linger a little while on your skin. They're not super duper strong, and they're not going to last hours and hours and hours on the skin. But if you are on a budget like me, these are perfect. Doesn't matter, carry it in your purse and reapply it. Make sure yours isn't broke, but yeah, carry it in your purse and reapply it. Last but not least, I have a couple hair care products. So from Power Stick, the leave-in conditioner in Brazilian Mist. This has notes of pistachio and salted caramel, and it's 5 ounces. If I find this at my Dollar Tree, I'm repurchasing this. This was totally worth the $1.25, $1.50, whatever I paid for it. This smells amazing. It works amazing. I use this in my hair. It helped detangle it, and it just smells so nice. So this worked fantastic. It didn't leave my hair looking greasy or anything like that. It was just the perfect amount of leave-in conditioner to detangle and to leave my hair smelling really nice. I love this. Highly, highly recommend. And the last product I have is from Garnier. This is the Pure Clean Detangler plus Air Dry plus Aloe Extract. You get 5 ounces in this. I like this cute little packaging. I love the color. And this works fantastic. Not only does it smell really nicely, it does the detangling. The Dollar Tree one worked just as good, but I would say in terms of like scent lingering and stuff in your hair, this wins it for that. Price wise, this is a lot more expensive than this. But I have purchased this a few times in the past, and I'll probably continue to purchase these Pure Clean products. I like them a lot. I love the way they smell. I love the way they perform. I love Garnier in general, so I definitely recommend this hair detangler as well. Definitely. 100%. Go get you some. But that is all the empties I have today to share. I hope you enjoyed the reviews, found them helpful. And I thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.